welcome to another product feedback video. I know this is a little bit different from technology, but I was looking on YouTube for ages to find out what this exhaust system sounds like for a Toyota Supra NA, and it's a Greddy Trust Performance Extreme 2, and I'll show you what it sounds like from start, idling at about 1,000 all the way up to 5,000. And I hope that this can make those looking into this decide a bit better, and also that this set me back about 950 Australian. So here we go. So there you have it, that's what it sounds like, and yeah, it's nice and deep tone, not too loud, not farty, it's got a nice ring to it, and also gave a little bit of a performance boost. So yeah, it's not bad, I'd suggest it, and yeah, I think it's a 3" to a 4.5" tip, so there you go, thanks.
Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest product feedback, videos and reviews.